Welcome to our Rat-a-Tat game. Rat-a-Tat is a strategic card game where you compete against the computer to achieve the lowest score. Each player has 4 face-down cards. On your turn, you can draw a new card and decide whether to swap it with one of your cards or discard it. The challenge? You need to remember which cards you have and make smart swaps based on that to minimize your total score. Let me show you how it works. The game starts by dealing 4 cards to each player. We get to peek at our 2 outer cards to give us a starting advantage. I can see I have a 2 and a 2 here. On my turn, I press D to draw a card from the deck. I drew a 7. Now I need to decide, should I swap this with one of my face-down cards that might be higher, or discard it? Since I don't know what's in positions 2 and 3, I decide to press X and discard it for now, hoping to get a better card later on. Now it's the computer's turn. The computer evaluates its options and decides to draw from the deck. I don't know which card he drew, but the game tells me he swapped that card with the card he had in position 4. Now I have 3 options. I can draw another card, take the card that the computer discarded, or call game. Since I don't know which cards I have in the 2 middle slots, and as there is a 7 on the discard pile, I decide to draw another card by pressing D. I again drew a 7, so I discard it again. After the computer's turn, it's back to me. I decided to draw again, and this time I got a 1. Let's take the risk and swap it with the card at slot 2. Nice. It seems like slot 2 had a 9, so I was very lucky. After a few rounds, when I think I have the lowest score, I press C to call Rat-a-Tat. This reveals all cards and calculates the final scores. I have 7 points, and the computer has 8. So I win. Now for the implementation. The game is built with 6 Jack classes. The main class handles initialization. Game class manages the game loop and turn logic. Card class represents individual cards. Deck class handles shuffling and card distribution. Player class manages each player's hand, and graphics renders everything to the screen. Thanks for watching. This was our implementation of Rat-a-Tat in Jack for the Hack computer.